Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to convert a PDF file or an image file into a Word file. For that we have three files. One is image file and the remaining two are the PDF. So we will see how to convert them into a Word file so that we can edit that file. So first we will see how to convert a regular PDF file by using Word. So for that we will open a Word file. After opening, we will open that file where it is located. Now we have to convert the regular file into a normal Microsoft Word file. So just we will select that file and we will click on open. Now a dialog box will come, just we have to click on OK. So like this, we have converted that PDF file into Word file, and if we want we can do some changes also over here. But if we have a scanned PDF file and we want to convert it into Word file, we will try to use Word only so that we can see it is convertible or we can convert it over here or not. So again we will take a new file. Again we will try the same process what we have. Now here is a scanned file, we will try to convert it into Word file. Now here we can see that scan file which we wanted to convert is not getting converted. So for that we have to go online. So we will open a browser. In that we have to be logged into our ID. Beside that only there is 9 dot, just we have to click on that, and over here we have to search Google Drive. So we have to just open that Google Drive. After opening that Google Drive, over here we have to take a new file, and here there is an option file upload. Just we have to click on file upload, which we have to convert it into Word file. Select the file which you want to convert and just click on open. We can see that file is getting uploaded on our drive. After the file is uploaded on a file, just what we have to go into a recent file. Recent we can see our file. So just we have to right click it and we have to go in open with and then in Google Docs. Now we can see that our file has been converted into, our PDF has been converted into Word file. Just we have to go in file. We have to download it into Microsoft Word. After downloading, we have to just open that file. Click on enable editing. Now we can see that we can make any changes what we want in the PDF which was scanned. Like this. Same way, if suppose you want to edit an image, same process you have to follow. Yes, you have to take a new file, upload it wherever you have saved. Suppose this is the image, you want to convert it into a Word file, just click on that file, open it. You can see it is getting uploaded. So after getting uploaded in a Google Drive, just what we have to do, we have to go in recent, then right click on that file, open with and Google Docs. So now we can see that this is an image, and this image we have converted into editable file in Microsoft Word. Just what we can do, we will go in file, we will download that file and download it in Microsoft Word. We can see it is getting downloaded. After getting downloaded, just we have to double click on that file, click on enable editing. We can delete if we want this image, and we can see that that image is converted into Microsoft Word file, and we can edit now into that file. So today we have seen how to convert a PDF file or an image file into a Word file. And if you want me to make this kind of video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.